Hello, welcome to Geeta's Maths class. Today you are going to learn about mensuration. And in today's class, let me explain you what is perimeter and area of plane figures. And also, how to find the areas of different types of triangles. In this class you are going to learn. First, what is perimeter? Perimeter means the total length of the boundary of a figure is called the perimeter. Suppose this is triangle ABC. The perimeter of triangle ABC means, if you want to find perimeter of triangle ABC, the definition is the total length of the boundary of the figure. That means the sum of the sides of the triangle gives you the perimeter of the figure. That is AB plus BC plus CA. And the common units of perimeter are meter or centimeter. You can have kilometer, millimeter and all, but the common units are meter and centimeter. Now, what is the area of plane figure? It is the surface or the region covered by a figure, or bounded by a figure. Okay. Suppose this is triangle ABC. Okay, let me give you triangle PQR. I am shading the region. The area or the surface covered by the figure is known as the area of the figure. And the common units of area are meter square or cm square. Okay? And here I said perimeter of triangle ABC means AB plus BC plus CA. But here I did not give you anything about area. Okay, I said area of different triangles are different. But the common formula for finding the area of a triangle is half base into height. Half into base into height. In short we say half BH. If BC is the base, if I draw a perpendicular from A to BC, this is height. So half base into height, if you do, you will get the area of a triangle, and this is the common area formula for finding the area of a triangle. Other than this, there are different formulas for finding the areas of different triangles which you are going to learn. Okay? You have got scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angled triangle, and so on. Okay? As per the sides, scalene, isosceles, equilateral. And one more right angle triangle. How to find the areas? Let me explain you. First, for the right angled triangle, it is just like common formula. Because in a right angled triangle, these two sides are perpendicular to each other. If this is the base, this is the height. So the common formula for finding the area of a triangle can be used here. So area of a right angled triangle is half base into height. Okay. Now, let me explain you what is the formula for finding the area of a scalene triangle. You know that a scalene triangle is a triangle in which all the sides are not equal. Thus, if the sides of a triangle are not equal, the triangle is said to be a scalene triangle. Okay, and you know that perimeter means sum of all the sides. If this is triangle ABC, opposite to vertex A is small a, opposite to vertex is small b, opposite to vertex is C is small c. Generally we take small a, small b, small c for the sides of the triangle. So perimeter means small a plus small b plus small c, sum of the sides. So S or semi-perimeter you have to find in order to find the area of a scalene triangle, and we take S for semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, and the formula for finding the area of a scalene triangle is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That means square root of semi-perimeter into semi-perimeter minus each of the sides. Product of the semi-perimeter minus each of the sides. And this formula is otherwise known as Heron's formula. Okay? Now, one more formula you are going to learn is how to find the area of an equilateral triangle. You know that a triangle in which all the sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle, and we generally take small a for the side of an equilateral triangle, and the area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Here side if we take as a, root 3 by 4 into a square is the formula for finding the area of an equilateral triangle. And one more formula you can find here is, if you want to find the altitude or height of an equilateral triangle, you can use the formula root 3 by 2 into side or root 3 by 2 into a. How means very simple. In an equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. If this is a, this is a by 2, this is a by 2. So by using Pythagoras theorem you can find the height. That gives you root 3 by 2 into side. Okay. Now only one more formula is left to learn, that is how to find the area of an isosceles triangle. You know that a triangle in which two sides are equal is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Let me explain you now. The fourth variety is isosceles triangle. Okay. If this is an isosceles triangle, let me name this triangle as ABC. If AB is equal to AC, let me take small a for each equal side and small b for the base. Okay. So let me explain you here how we get the area. Okay, you know that area of an isosceles triangle, common formula for area of the triangle is half base into height. Let me explain you by using that. Okay, common area is half base into height. Here base is b, height is h. But we don't know h. In an isosceles triangle also, the altitude bisects the base. Okay, so how to find the altitude? Let me show you. If for equilateral triangle I told you, you can find, now I am showing you. AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. That is Pythagoras theorem. AB square is A square. BD is B by 2 whole square. That means A square minus B square by 4. If you take 4 common, you will get 4A square minus B square. That implies AD, which we have taken is h, equal to square root of 4A square minus B square by 4. Square root of this we cannot find. Square root of 4A square minus B square and square root of 4 is 2. Now let us substitute this value of h here. Okay, then you will get the area of an isosceles triangle. Area of an isosceles triangle is half into b into h value is this, h equal to this, square root of 4a square minus b square by 2. That implies 1 by 2, denominator 4, b. So 1 by 4 into b and the square root of 4a square minus b square, or we can write b by 4 into square root of 4a square minus b square is the area of an isosceles triangle. Children, please make the concept clear so that it will be very much useful for you and you will be able to do or be able to solve the exercise questions very easily. Thank you.